Being able to find interest is another important application of a percent. If we are to find the interest, what we need to do is just apply a simple formula. The interest is equal to the principal, which is the money that you borrow or the money that you deposit, multiplied by the rate multiplied by the time. I equals PRT. If we apply this formula, we can find the interest on any loan or any deposit. Here are a few examples of how this can be done. Here are examples for calculating simple interest. This first question says, we are going to find the interest on a loan of $1,250 that is taken out at 12% interest for 2 years. All we are looking for is the interest. Remember that the interest is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. The principal is the amount of money borrowed, therefore the principal would be $1,250. Multiplied by the rate, that's a 12%. Multiplied by the amount of time that this was taken out for, that's 2 years. From here, with our calculation, we can do some simple cancelling out, we can do some simple division, whichever method you find might be more appropriate to you, depending on what tools you're asked to use, then you do that. And if you do your problem, your answer should come out to be $300. Therefore, the interest on that loan for the 2 years was $300. Notice if the question was asking for how much you pay back in total, you would take the interest and add it back to the principal in order to find the total amount that you paid. Here's another example of finding your interest. You take out a loan of $4,000 at 5%. You want to know what interest you will pay in 3 months. Again, same thing. Interest is equal to principal times rate times time. Our principal is $4,000. Our rate is 5%. However, the interest rate for banks are usually calculated per annum, that's yearly. So if we are given 3 months, our 3 months should be converted into years. From a simple proportion, you should realize that 3 months is 3 out of 12 years. You could also have written this as 1 out of 4. That would have been the simplest method to do it, but I put in the 12 so that you can see that the 12 represent the 12 months that make up the year that we have. And from here, some quick cancelling out will get you to your answer fairly quickly. If you do your cancelling out, you should end up with $50. So the interest that is paid on that loan for the 3 months will be $50.